Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your ring. I love colored rings, so this is my third ring. It's a citrine stone. It is extremely cloudy, and today I'm just going to show you how I clean it, bring it back to life, because I don't really take it off a lot, so I'm always washing my hands. There's soap buildup, there's lotion buildup, there's product buildup, and I'm just going to clean that out today and take you along for the ride. So I took the ring off my finger just so you can see a little better. So this is the before, just so we can see the before, and then we'll see what happens after. The first thing you want to do is you want to find an empty container, a glass, a bowl, anything you want to use. I'm just using a plastic stemless wine glass for this. You're going to go ahead and add some dishwashing liquid. I'm using Dawn. So I'm adding some to the glass. Now you want to use warm water. Don't use hot water. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the temperature. Test that out. It's a little too hot. Okay, perfect. Now you're going to fill and mix. Fill and mix. And that's enough because I'm only cleaning the two bands and the ring. Now I'm going to place my rings into the solution. So I'm just going to go ahead, pick those up, and drop them right in. And just let them sit. So I'm going to let them sit for about 5-10 minutes, probably 10 minutes to give it a good deep soak. And what I'm going to use to clean it afterwards are these baby bottle brush bristles, which I saved. I don't use them anymore, but I saved them to clean little things and get into small little creases. So this is what I will be using to clean the ring. Okay, so let's let it soak and we'll be back. While they soak, let's get into these nails I need to get done. It's been so long. I definitely need to make a nail appointment and get the situation under control. Bruh. So I'm just gonna go in and give it a little twirl to loosen up some of those debris. While the rings are soaking, let's get into my other rings. So when I got married, my husband originally proposed to me with a sapphire ring, which I lost during my first pregnancy. I'm gonna blame it on baby brain, but I'm gonna show you my original band that I got on my wedding day, which is a Tiffany & Co band, the Atlas collection, and I got the simple rose gold band, which I love, love, love this ring. Okay, so this is my band that I wear when I want to be simple but still fashionable. I think it's a super cute ring, and this is what I chose as my official wedding band. After losing my original engagement ring, I got an emerald as a replacement. So this is the emerald ring that I got as a replacement that same year during Christmas time. So, and I love this ring because it's very vintage, old school vibe, which is very me. I love vintage clothing. I love thrifting. And the color green is so pretty. So I was wearing this ring for about 2.5 years, maybe 3. And I would wear it with my simple double bands, one on top and one on bottom. And those bands are currently soaking with the new citrine ring. Now it's time to scrub my ring. dig deep in there to get it. All right, so I should have used a container or glass with a wider lip. That was a little hard to get into, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of soap water on there and scrub. And you just want to keep scrubbing. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the smaller one and really try to get in there as best as I can. I'm definitely thinking about getting a new setting. I don't like the sides because it's hard to get into to clean, and the buildup with all the lotion I'm using from washing my hands constantly, it's pretty annoying. So I'm really trying to get in there as best as I can. Oh, it's looking good. Wow. That is looking so much better already. So I'm just gonna continue scrubbing. Okay, I'm gonna go in one more time. Going in one more time with the smaller bristle. And then I'm trying to get into the corners. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going into the corners with the bristle and swirling it around. Now I'm just dipping it back in the solution, seeing where we are, and wow, that looks so much better. The stone looks so much better. Okay, I'm excited. Look at my baby. So this is a citrine ring. I think it's close to, it's either 3.5 or something close to 4 carats. And the ring is from Effy. If you're familiar with the Effy collection, they have a lot of really nice semi-precious stones, like the citrine, blue topaz. I mean, they have precious stones, sapphires. They sell diamonds and everything else too. But like I said, I love colored rings, and the citrine really caught my attention when I was looking for a new ring. And I'm happy with this results from the soak. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this one down, right? Because I think we're good. Okay. Now let me try and get my bands. So now I'm just gonna do a light cleaning on the bands. I'm gonna just place that on my finger since there's two and they're thin. And I like thin bands. I like thin jewelry. I like things that are more on the delicate side. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just give that a light scrub. Put it on my middle finger. That'll be a little bit more stable. All right, there we go. And my bands, I picked these out at the time. So I got married in 2014. So I picked these out at the time because, oh, look how this is shining now, pretty. I love the curve on these. As you can see, they're curved and not straight. So I can wear it in a lot of different ways. I can flip them. And just create different combinations. Sorry, I'm struggling here because obviously they're wet and my hands are wet. Yeah, so, but I can do different configurations. I like change. I don't like to have the same thing on every day. So being able to swap out my rings, my bands is definitely a plus for me. So I'm just gonna drop these back into the solution, and I'm just gonna replace this water with fresh, clean, warm water. Okay, so now it's in clean water. Just let that sit for a little bit. And then we're gonna pour the water out and dry off the rings. Okay, so now I have my ring. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna place it on this paper towel back here. You can let it air dry, you can dry it off of paper towel. I'm just drying my hands so I can put my rings back on and show you guys what it looks like now. Yeah, so you can pat it dry with a paper towel. You can let it air dry. You can use a blow dryer on a low setting to dry it. I just pat it down with a paper towel. Now it's time to put the set back on. Look how pretty that turned out. Now you can really see the cut of the stone. Yeah, baby, look. That's my daughter saying look. Yes, boo, we're done. And now we're showing everyone what it looks like. And you can see I never, or not never, but rarely take off my ring. As you can see, the mark it's left. So I start with the first band. Then I put on the main ring. Then I top it off with my second band. I love the results from the simple soak. My ring is nice and clear and clean now. It is no longer cloudy. Thank you for watching my latest video. You can follow me on Instagram at Styleista. You can also follow my business page at Styleista Studios. I will put it down and as a link below. So follow me, like, subscribe, and I'm back. So I'm gonna post a video. I'm going to try my best at least twice a week, if not once a week. So we're going to see how that goes. But I'm back. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time.